Alright guys, welcome back to this learning module. Today we're gonna beautify our appearance on this pivot table here. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna change this to a proper title. Okay, so when we hover the title, this long expressions here is blocking all of the view of our table here. Okay, we don't want this. We are going to give it a proper title name. Okay, and also for our dimensions here, we are going to change it to main grouping, and then the next we are going to change to main header here. Okay, and for our expressions, we're gonna put in a proper naming for our expressions as well. And then notice that this sorting and our main grouping total here is not correct, right? We need to update this as well, and notice that we also have lost one of our column here. Okay, our title, our display title has gone missing. Alright, we're going to fix this as well. Okay, so let's copy this pivot table, go to appearance and paste it over. So let's fix our title. Let's fix the dimensions first, because the first thing pop out here is actually the dimension. Okay, let's just fix this one. Let's just add in title. Okay, title display, and then we're going to promote it to the very top. Okay, then let's click on apply, and we can see our title display is up, but the sorting is not correct. The current ratio should be at the lowest row here, right? At the lowest row. Let's go to our sort here, and this display table here is actually has all the logic that we want. We're gonna copy this and we're gonna change this display title to title display. Okay, let's copy first and click on OK. Let's go to title display and select expression, and we're gonna paste it here. Next, we're gonna change this to title display. Alright, then we click on OK. Let's click on apply here. Alright, this looks good here. Now we're gonna right mouse click and select all, and perfect. Everything goes accordingly. Even for our sorting, for our main grouping here is also sorted accordingly as well, right? So this is good, perfect. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna update our title display here. Okay, we're gonna change it to a proper name. Okay, so let's go to general here, go to our window title. Notice that we can also add in an expression here. Alright, so this is actually a very cool function in QlikView, because not all the BI tools can actually give us the ability to add in expressions in our title. Alright, this is a very cool feature with QlikView. Okay, so let's utilize it properly. Alright, we're gonna add in an equal sign to tell QlikView to evaluate this as an expression here. Okay, first of all, we can add in our period flag here to tell our audience what is the current report view. Is it a month to date, or is it a year to date? Okay, let's do that. We're gonna add in our period flag here. Okay, and then let's concatenate this with a colon. Okay, and then let's give some spacing here, and then what we're gonna put in, we're gonna put in our financial reporting, and then we can put in the current month as well, right? Our report title will show us which period is the financial reporting is referring to. Alright, let's put in max, and then we put in the period year period. Oh sorry, it's year month. Okay, sorry, I got confused. Alright, let's hit on OK. Let's hit on the apply button, and yeah, this is cool, right? We have our title here, nice and simple here. When we change to year to date, this is also reflected to year to date. This is pretty cool, right? We are going to update our dimension here right now. Okay, we're going to add in a proper naming here. Oh, sorry, my mouse has some problem here. It always hit on double click. Okay, so my mouse is a bit faulty, but it's okay. Let's go through with this, and there's a label here. We're gonna add in our label here as main grouping. Okay, let's hit on apply, and we see our dimension has actually updated. Okay, same for our header here. We're gonna add in our label here. We're gonna call it main header, right? Hit on apply. So far so good. Now for our expression here, we're going to just add in our label at here. Let's call actual. Hit on apply, and yep, this is perfect. And that's all for today. Thanks and bye bye.